Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Windows Terminal and launching it right away. Once done, open a new tab and choose a shell, PowerShell, Command Prompt, or WSL. Make sure you use Widget or the store to keep automatic updates. That prevents compatibility headaches. Next, open Settings quickly with Control+, so you're ready to customize profiles and behavior. This first step gets the app running and puts you in the Settings view where real configuration begins. You now build a usable workspace. Edit the profile for your preferred shell and set it as default so every new tab opens how you want. Once edited, create a color scheme and pick a monospaced font with ligatures if you use modern shells. This improves readability. Then configure split panes and tab behavior to match your workflow and bind keys for common actions. Doing this lets you move fast between shells, see multiple sessions at once, and avoid interrupting focus. Finish by saving your settings and exporting settings. JSON as a backup so you can revert if needed. Once saved, set per profile starting directories and optional command line arguments to launch tools or scripts automatically. Integrate WSL by adding its profile and point the icon and starting directory to the distro. This streamlines Linux workflows. If something breaks, close terminal, delete, or rename settings. JSON to force regeneration, then reopen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.